Dear friends, welcome to my Singing Angler channel. My name is Oleg. I'm a professional fishing guide from Prague, Czech Republic, and today I'm going to fish for trout on the mountains creek, but in a very untypical time, because now it's very hot weather. It's 5 o'clock p.m. I think it's 30 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to fish for trout with mormyshka. So let's start. So friends, here is a quite typical place for brown trout, or also rainbow trout, for any trout, I can say. It's a quite deep pool along the bank, and unfortunately there are many people visiting this place, so big fish can be very spooky. So I will try to catch some of them. Anyway, let's see. I will show you first my tackle, which I will use today. So guys, I'm going to use today this amazing rod for light jigging. I think it's perfect for the sea bream, not for trout fishing, but I will tell you, I will show you in a few moments why I have chosen this rod. And the reel is 1000 size reel with the line, I think about 6 or 7 pounds line. As a lure, I will use mormyshka. This is traditional Russian mormyshka, and then some silicone lures like that I received as a gift with this amazing reel, and another ones quite like a trout color. Oh! So guys, I love trout streams, trout rivers, but there is one huge minus. It can be quite dangerous to climb around here. There are lots of slippery rocks, lots of trees in the water. It's an amazing spot. Let's look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, I had a bite. Hey, I had a bite. Oh, here's a fish. Here's a fish. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Gorgeous. Not a big one. Just little trout. Look at that. A mormyshka. Okay. Beautiful. So guys, till now I have only small trouts, so I think it's time to change the fishing spot. There are lots of insects in the air. I think just the fish food is very different. Today there are a lot of mayflies, so that's maybe a reason why they do prefer insects instead of small fish. So anyway, I will try another spot. Oh, Oh, nice. Finally, better fish. Finally, better fish. Look at that. This is a chub. Not a trout. This is a chub. Well, absolutely not a bad one. So guys, I don't know if you can see it, but there is such a massive hatch started. So many dance in the air. It's unbelievable. So of course fish prefer insects instead of baits like that. So until next time I hope to catch for you some bigger fish, bigger trouts. And if you like this video, please put the thumb up and subscribe to my channel and write in comments below what do you want me to catch here in Czech waters. So see you soon. Bye.